Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Oberoi Realty. Our analyst retains positive view on Oberoi Realty and expects a 25% upside rolling forward valuation to FY26 and increasing NAV premium given robust near-term and long-term growth outlook. Oberoi is expected to benefit from sustained sales momentum being witnessed in the MMR, with November reporting a 11-year high registration for the month. The company forayed into the booming NCR region with an estimated project size of 2.6 million square feet at a monetary consideration of Rs 579 crore. Same provides a well-diversified geographical growth avenue. In November, it launched its Kolshet project, which along with key launches in Pokhran Road, Borivali and Goregaon is expected to maintain strong growth momentum in second half of FY24 and FY25. Next, we have an update on Tata Power. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Tata Power with a revised price target of Rs 390. The power sector is expected to register strong growth, mainly driven by peak power demand supply shortfall over for next few years. The company's energy portfolio stood at 14,381 megawatts, of which is nearly 38% renewable capacity. The company plans to install 1.5 to 2 gigawatts of renewable energy every year, with a target to increase its renewable energy to 70% of total portfolio by 2030. The company's domestic hydropower capacity is expected to increase 7 times by FY28. The company has made significant improvement in its Odisha Discom operation, which led to a significant decline in AT&C losses. The company has set up a 4.3 gigawatt cell and module plant, which will provide the company with much better control on the input cost for EPC project. Tata Power plans to 2 times its revenue, EBITDA and PAT by FY27, with 90% of PAT coming from core business versus 40% in FY23, which would be by FY27 earnings. We expect PAT to register a CAGR of 28% over FY23 to FY26, with healthy ROE of 17% in FY26. At the current market price, the stock trades at 2.8 times FY25 and 2.4 times FY26 price to book value.
For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.